Hey guys, welcome back to Dreamer's Kitchen. If you aren't a subscriber, be sure to hit that bell. Don't forget to like and share this video. We have a sweet treat coming up for you guys. Stay tuned. Today we'll be making a delicious Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Let's get started. We are going to peel our potatoes. The sweet potatoes I'll be using in this video is a boniato sweet potato, which is white and dry on its inside. It is not the typical sweet potatoes used in other cooking or baking recipes. You can use regular sweet potatoes, but bear in mind that the regular sweet potatoes will spring a lot of water, and that will make this pudding really soggy. Once they're peeled, you can go ahead and cut them into pieces. Now we're going to go ahead and grate our sweet potatoes, and you want to make sure that you use the small or medium size of the grater. Once you finish with your sweet potatoes, you're going to go ahead and get started with some coconut milk. I'll be sure to leave the recipe in our description box. If you are enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Let's add some sugar. Vanilla. You're going to mix this together and make sure that your sugar is completely dissolved. Using our strainer, we're going to pour flour, cornmeal, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Combine your dry ingredients together. Slowly pour in your wet ingredients with your dry, and with this recipe you're going to use your hand instead of a mixer. As we slowly pour our wet ingredients in, we're going to leave at least 1 to 2 cups of wet ingredients behind. Keep watching this video to see why. We'll be adding all our shredded sweet potatoes. Do not need a mixer for this recipe. We want to keep the shredded sweet potatoes just the way they are. Now just combine everything together. Now it's time to pour our batter onto a greased baking pan. I'll be adding butter on all 4 corners, that way it will be nice and crispy. The wait is over. If you made it this far into the video, we'll be adding our wet ingredients with our now baked sweet potatoes, and it will be going back into the oven for another 15 minutes. This technique, it will make our pudding nice and moist on the inside and nice and crisp on the outside. There you have it, guys, our delicious Jamaican sweet potato pudding using our island spice product. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, share, and subscribe.